Nevaeh, tell me about the story you just read.
There was a little birdie that tried to eat a worm and it got stuck on a sharp stick, so it fell down and the birds helped them get colour. I'm Evie, and in the book I saw that the bird was going down for a grub, but then the grub moved away from the bird where he was landing, and it landed on a sharp stick, and then the stick pointed into it. The bird got really sick because it was bleeding blood out of his leg. So all the other animals, all the other birds, his friends, came and helped see how they could help him, but Crow didn't, and the little bird bumped into his leg, and then all the colours of splattered all over the birds, but Crow was very a long way, so he had to stay black. So like all the other crows are black out there. The bird has the colours because the crow baked its foot and they got colours. The parrot picked the crow with its beak, and the crow splattered all paint on the birds. The bird got the colour from paint.